Good afternoon, my name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's legally speaking seminar, I would like to focus on reliefs, immigration reliefs that are still available for many. And I believe those reliefs from immigration problems are greatly underutilized. I feel that nowadays almost everyone is talking about how St. Patrick was an immigrant and how we do not like President Trump's immigration travel bans. And people forget that people, immigrants, undocumented people, however you'd like to call them, they're scared. They would like to find solution for their immigration problems. And unfortunately, those solutions are not being talked about. So that's why I would like to make this video and talk about three types of immigration reliefs that, in my mind, are greatly underutilized. So relief number one that is not being used by many who is eligible, advance parole. Advance parole, especially for DACA beneficiaries. When you receive DACA status, one of the benefits of the DACA status is an ability to travel outside of the United States and come back on advance parole. Not everyone will qualify for this. People with outstanding orders of deportation should not be applying for advance parole. But people who entered the country illegally, or it would be correctly to say that were brought into the country illegally by their parents, can qualify for it in certain situations. What does advance parole do? Well, advance parole will eliminate the problem of illegal entry and will help someone to receive green card if now they're married to a US citizen. So it's very important to utilize this relief if you're eligible. Because if you don't, and we don't know what's going to happen, in the future, if you don't use this chance, you might lose it forever. So some people say that it's dangerous to use advance parole. We don't know if you're going to be allowed back into the country. To which I'll say, well, if it's going to be dangerous and we will know that, then you probably will not be using it. But until it's still available, you should absolutely try to use this chance. Another relief that I believe many people who qualify for whatever reason are not applying, maybe again the reason is that they're scared. It is I601 immigration waiver. Immigration waiver for unlawful presence. Again, this waiver is for those who have US citizens or permanent residents relatives, and this waiver can help to resolve an issue of unlawful presence if a person cannot adjust their status in the United States due to illegal entry. I've met many couples who decided that, or were advised actually by some lawyers, not to apply for I601 waiver because, again, we don't know what's going to happen. Well, we never know what's going to happen. Even if it was Clinton's administration and not Trump's administration, we would not know what's going to happen. But what we do know is that I601 waiver is still a very good opportunity to resolve someone's problem, and you should absolutely take advantage of that. And third relief that I believe young people are overlooking often, it is a special immigrant juvenile status. Special immigrant juvenile status is available to children, those who are under 21 years old and who received, in some states, it's the age of 18. It's a relief that is available to those children who are found to be neglected or abandoned by their parents or abused, and those children who cannot reunite with one or both parents. It means that a child who is in the United States, whose one parent, let's say mother, is taking care of their child in the United States, and the child is illegal, this child still can receive a green card in the United States. The child does not have to be a complete orphan to benefit from this relief. What's happening in such cases is that first a family court, a local court, has to find that the child was abused or neglected or abandoned, and the child is under 21, and reunification with one or both parents is not available for the child. And then with that court order, the child would go to USCIS or file an application for green card. So that's how SIJ works. And I must say that I meet young people, 22, 23 years old, who state that they have been here illegally for 10 years and they never knew about this relief. They never thought about applying for this relief. And in the meantime, they're perfect candidates. Like 2, 3 years ago, they would fit perfectly into this qualifications for SIJ. So that's something that I would like people to know about, and I would like them to share this video with those who they believe might benefit from this reliefs. My position on this and other immigration reliefs that until and while they're still available, you should take advantage of them. You should apply if you qualify. Do not sit and wait that something uncertain may happen in the future. We never know what will happen in the future, but we do know what is available and is happening now. I hope this video is helpful, and you can read more about the types of immigration benefits I mentioned in this video on our website www.shautsova.com. You can also call our office at 917-885-2261. Thank you.